Hey everyone, welcome to another update of what's new with Wildcat. As you can see behind me, there's a lot of digging going on. All this and more coming up next on PA&J Thrills.
Get ready, here we go.
Holy cow, guys. It's like they're completely demolishing the station. I have no idea what's going on, but that is a lot of digging, as you can see. Well, we're about a week or so from Dark Knight's opening, so you can see they have the wait times here for, and this one's going to be the Descent with the witch theme. Yeah, it looks like they have the queue line installed. This is exactly what I thought it was going to be, and going back to that building right there. But yeah, there's a lot of progress going on with Wildcat, as you can see. So I don't think it will be much longer until we start seeing some more digging going on over by here. Because they'll have to dig the footers pretty soon, I imagine, because you would want them to harden over the winter time before they can start building the track. Although if they are tearing down the lift hill, they might have to put those footers in. It might take a little bit longer, so who knows. RMC did tease on their Instagram, where could you see our next lift truss system, so I honestly think this could be a lift truss lift hill. And also they also teased today seems like a great day to come up with a new element name. So yeah, I'm excited to see what comes out of this. It's going to be exciting, guys. There do look to be some diggers back there, so who knows.
Ducking requires so much effort.
There's a sign right there. I have no idea what that says on it. Who knows? I don't think it says RMC. There looks to be some flags here over by Wildcat Catering. I'm not exactly sure if I see anything. Doesn't look like it. Back here by Wildcat's turnaround. Huh. A lot of interesting stuff. Guys, they are starting to rip up the track on Wildcat. How cool is that? Oh my god, I am so excited. Not even, I'm just speechless. I can't believe I didn't see this earlier. Oh my god, that is so cool. I'm so excited.
Where's your camera? Oh, there it is. If you want more, let me know. Thank you. So beautiful. All the water park, all beautiful. Yeah.
Is the Hershey Gardens. Go to the Hershey Conservatory. Visit today.
There's the hotel. Austin, we're staying at Austin.
Normally see I don't want a really cold winter, but if we get a really cold one, all the iron sides will die off. Hey, I got 50 gallons of oil, I gotta use it all, so I don't care how cold it gets. I gotta get a new tank next spring. It costs $4,000 if I want a tank and it transfers $1,600 if I get the oil out.
Anyway, guys, that's going to do it from today's construction update. I can't believe I didn't see that earlier. I literally just saw that on YouTube, so I had to come back here and make sure I got that in today's update. But if you want to see more from all things Wildcat and all things coming up in Hershey Park, be sure to hit that subscribe button and that like button. I got lots more content coming for you. I really hope we get an announcement soon from the park. It kind of does stink though that we're not getting one soon. I mean, track is literally being ripped up right behind us. I think they're trying to pump up their Dark Nights event. But lots of exciting stuff here going on. Yeah, so until then, I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye, guys.